See, don't go.
For what? Shooting tear gas. We don't have guns. We don't have machetes. We are not violent. They should allow us march peacefully. Yes. We should be allowed to move peacefully.
We have the right for peaceful assembly. We have the right to convene and rally around. We have the right to come out. We have the right for peaceful assembly. I am happy that not all security agencies are aiding and abetting this evil machination. I want to state categorically clear that we are here as Obidient movement. We are not here as a political party. We are aware that all security agencies were beefed up. We are written about this peaceful assembly. We have the right to a peaceful assembly. We do not know why that the security agencies, especially the police, will be allowed to come and disrupt the peaceful assembly of all the 13 local governments in Ebonyi.
Peacefully, be orderly, be peaceful. Remember, the theme of our march today is go and collect your PVC. I thank you very much. Let's keep the spirit of democracy alive.
There was an attempt to disrupt this movement in the morning.
Yes, it was ill-motivated by people who want to take Nigeria back. I notified them that the good people, the obedient people, supporters of P2B, are going to come out to do a road walk that will symbolize our support for him. All I asked them to take note and provide protection and to maintain law and order. Okay, finally. Peaceful assembly. Okay, so they don't know what the law says. Okay, they don't know what the law says. They're following bad politicians.